In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in Outlook Calendar. We'll walk through the web version of Outlook so you can set up a clear, reliable reminder in just a few clicks. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen and share helpful tips to make sure your reminder fires when you need it. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. You can also type the official Outlook web address directly if you know it. This takes you to the Outlook sign-in page and then into your mailbox. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account you want to use for your calendar. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the profile in the top corner so the reminder lands on the right calendar. If prompted, complete any security checks, then wait for your Outlook homepage to load fully. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side panel and select the calendar icon. This switches you from mail to calendar view. You'll see your schedule laid out by day, work week, or month, depending on how you last used it. Choose the view that makes it easiest to spot the date you want. Next, click New Event. This opens the event creation panel. Here's where you'll add the essential details that make your reminder meaningful and timely. You'll notice fields for the event name, date, time, and more. Click the Reminder option. This controls when Outlook nudges you before the event begins. Pick a lead time that matches your needs, like 5 or 10 minutes before for quick tasks, or 1 day before for something you need to prepare in advance. The reminder will pop up according to this setting, so choose what helps you act without feeling rushed. Now choose the date and time for the event itself. Use the date picker to land on the correct day, then set the start time and, if needed, the end time. If your schedule spans time zones, confirm the time zone shown matches your location. You can also mark an item as all day if that's more appropriate for your reminder. When everything looks good, click Save. Your event is added to the calendar, and your reminder setting is stored with it. You should now see the event on the date you selected. For best results, keep your browser and device notifications enabled and ensure your device volume or do not disturb settings won't block alerts. That's it. Search Outlook, sign in, open calendar, create a new event, set the reminder, choose the date and time, and save. You're ready to stay on top of your schedule with Outlook calendar reminders.